When you're in human resources, you understand that change is inevitable and adapting is not optional. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical tool you can use today to enhance your work and drive better results. Imagine having a partner who tirelessly handles routine tasks such as screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and managing onboarding, freeing you up for strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and deep connections with your team. Our course, AI for Manager of Human Resources, is designed to make this transition smooth and straightforward. We take the mystery out of AI by breaking it down into real-world applications that you can start using immediately. With engaging video lessons, hands-on prompts, eBooks, and audiobooks, you'll learn how to leverage AI to automate complex processes, predict employee trends, and efficiently analyze data, so you can focus on managing people and culture rather than paperwork. Most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This isn't about replacing you, it's about amplifying your abilities and positioning you as an indispensable leader in your organization. With our continuously updated content, you'll always be equipped with the latest insights and tools needed to stay ahead. Discover all AI for Manager of Human Resources training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and begin transforming your approach to HR management today.